Hello dear students, how are you? I hope so you are doing great. I'm Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Maths Smart Educator by Lakshmi. In this channel, I'm going to teach the board examination syllabus, especially at the present moment. I'm going to teach the TS and AP State Intermediate syllabus. There are the 4 papers regarding the maths 1A, 1B first year, 2A, 2B second year. I'm going to upload the more and most important topics and most important questions with easy, amazing methods as well as smart learning techniques I'm using because those are the most helpful to you for your public examination point of view. How can you present the solution clearly, detailed? Because in a IP point of view, steps wise marks will be avoided. If you write the clear steps detailedly, then you can get the maximum marks, full marks. That is only I'm going to teach in my videos. Already I uploaded some topics, some important questions whose links are there in below description. If you not yet watched, please watch them. Those are most helpful to you. Is it clear? Now, in today's session, I'm going to teach one of the quite interesting topic. 7 more questions will come from this one in Maths 1B. Already one part I did on this topic. The topic is simply DRs and DCs. That is the direction ratios and direction cosines. I did some questions in part 1 with the concept I explained. If you not yet watched that video, please watch. That link is there in the below description. Now I'm going to teach one more part on this topic, DRs and DCs. So from this topic, 1 7-mark question guarantee we can get. Only few questions, only simple methods, easily can get this 1 7 marks. Don't miss to watch this chapter at any cost. Don't miss it. Do the practicing. If you do the practice, you can get the 100% confident about the solution. Clearly, we can present in your public examination. Practice is a must and should. Okay, I hope so you can do it. Okay, without delay, let's get started today's session. Before start the today's session, I'm going to request you all, please subscribe my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So at the same time, click the bell notification. You can get up-to-date notifications to reach to you. So that is most helpful to you to watch the all videos without missing, because I'm using the very smart learning techniques. How it is, we'll look at the today's session. Are you ready? Yes, without delay, let's get started. Right? And look at the question number 1. Find the angle between the lines whose DCs means direction cosines satisfy the equations. 2 equations are given. The DCs, I said to you in previous video, DCs are denoted by element. Those DCs, 2 lines, DCs are connected by these 2 equations. We can find out angle between them. To find out angle between them, between the 2 lines, we can collect their DRs. To collect the DRs of those 2 lines, what you have to do? That is one of the major point you have to know. We have to solve these 2 equations. ఏం చేయాలి? మనకి 2 lines angle కనుక్కోమన్నప్పుడు ఆ 2 lines DRs కానీ DCs కానీ కనుక్కోవాలి. కనుక్కోవడానికి ఏం చేయాలి? ఈ 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. Can you solve it? I will give the hint. That is a smart thinking. What is that? Among these 2 equations, which is the easiest equation? Yes, L plus M plus N is equal to 0 is a simple equation. From this equation, we can convert any one of the letter to remaining 2 letters and substitute in the another equation. Better I am taking both equations I am writing here. First equation is L plus M plus N is equal to 0 as equation 1. Note down the second equation also. L square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. This is second equation. To solve these two, what I have given hint, which is easiest equation, first equation. From that we am using L in terms of Mn. From 1, L is equal to, shall write, minus M minus N. L is equal to minus M minus 1. Substitute it into, wherever L is there, only one letter is there here, L. In place of L, we can write minus M minus N. L square means what? Minus N whole square. Remaining 2 terms are I am writing within the bracket. M square minus N square equals to 0. Right. By taking minus is common here. Minus of M plus N whole square. This one we can write a square minus b square form it is. A square minus b square you can write. Yes, a plus b into a minus b. M square minus n square you can write m plus n into m minus n. M minus n equals to 0. Now under the square minus becomes plus, you know very well. Therefore first term becomes what now? M plus n whole square plus second term m plus n into m minus n. Okay, we can take the factorization for this equation from these two terms which is common. Yes, clearly m plus n is common, but in the m plus n is common, what is left over? M plus n is taken out from both the terms. In the first term m plus n is left over. In second term plus already there plus m minus n is left over is equals to 0. Here clearly n cancelled. Now again it becomes m plus n of 2m is equals to 0. Right. You know 2 is constant, 2 is also gets cancelled. Now this becomes m plus n of m is equals to 0. Here I am giving one of the small hint to collect the solutions easily. Here there are the two factors. We can separate the two factors. Whatever may be single term is there, double terms are there. Here in first bracket double terms are there, in next bracket single term is there. Means from this you can get two of the equations. One is m plus n is equal to 0. This is taken as equation 3. And another is m is equal to 0. This is taken as equation 4. Okay, we have the 4 equations. What are the 4 equations? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to concentrate 1 and 3 as well as 1 and 4. No need to worry about the second equation. ఇప్పుడు మనం సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి ఈక్వేషన్ 1, 3 కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టాలి, అలాగే 1, 4 ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి? ఈజీ మెథడ్ చెప్తున్నాను చూడండి. అంటే కొన్ని బుక్స్లో మీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో కానీ నోట్స్లో కానీ రేషియో ప్రాసెస్లో ఇస్తాడు, అది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు మీరు. అందుకని ఈజీ మెథడ్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఎలా అంటే సాల్వ్ 1 and 3. That is cross multiplication method you can use. Here there are 3 letters L, M, N. Here also you can think 3 letters only, 1 letter is missed. What is missed here? L is missed. Missed means what? Quotient of L is 0. We can assume that. Okay. So we can use L, M, N cross multiplication method. I'm using all these questions. We can proceed the same method, single method. What is a simple method I'm using? That is you know very well. What is that? I'm explaining here. L, M, N. From the first equation, what is the middle term here? M. Quotient is 1. Then next to N, quotient is 1. Again we can come to first term, quotient is 1. And again get back to the middle term. That is quotient is already 1 here. The first, from the first equation, this is the over. Now we can collect from the third equation. What is the middle term here? Here actually there is some L. L missed means what? 0 into L we can think. Indirectly middle term is here M. M quotient here 1. N quotient is 1. L quotient no L means at place of that one you can take 0. Again get back to M quotient 1. Is it clear now? What is the missing term in place of that one you can take it as 0. That is a major point what I am going to give the hint to solve the equations easily. Right. Therefore from this L by 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 1 1 minus 1. Right. Same way M by, you know, like this we can take again these two, 1 into 0 0 minus 1 into 1 is 1 is equals to N by, same way last 4 terms, 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 0 is 0. From this you can get L by 0, M by minus 1, N by 1. You know LMR denominators are 0, minus 1, 1. LMN and actually LMN are DCs, but ratios are there in the denominator. Ratio means, you know, A is to B, we can write A by B. Indirectly 0 minus 1 1 are 0 minus 1 1 are DRs of a one of the line. DRs we can take. Don't think it is DCs. చూడంగానే ఎల్ఎంఎన్ అంటే డీసీ, ఎల్ఎంఎన్ అంటే డీసీసే కరెక్టే, కానీ ఇక్కడ మనం రేషియోస్ తీసుకున్నాం డినామినేటర్ కాబట్టి డిఆర్స్ అవుతాయి. Two lines for the line DRs adjustment. Let it be taken as some A1, B1, C1. Okay, therefore DRs of one line we can denote as A1, B1, C1 as 0, -1, 1. Here signs, no need to worry about the signs. Maybe here 0 plus 1 minus 1 also you can get, because all are equal terms. We can, if you multiply with minus, even though there is no change at all. DRs of one line, we got it. Same way, solve 1 and 4. Solve 1, 4. Same way. So what is you can take here? Element, right? From the first equation as it is, like 1, 1, 1, 1. From the fourth equation, middle term is m is quotient 1 is there. Here there is no n, means what? In place of n we can take 0. Middle term m is what? Then n is missed 0. Again L is missed, in place of also we can take 0. Again get back to m quotient 1. Is it clear now? Now what is this? Is L by 0 minus 1 is 0 minus 1 and minus 1. I will write afterwards. 1 minus 0, 0 minus 0 here. 1 by 1 minus 0. Therefore L by minus 1, m by 0, 1 by 1. N here, this is n. Right. Now we got the one more line DRs. What are those? -1, 0, 1. So DRs of another line. Let it be A2, B2, C2. What are those? -1, 0, 1. Now there are the two lines DRs which are connected by the given two equations. Now what is asking this question? Find the angle between them. If you know the DRs of two lines, in previous video already I have given to you prerequisites. In that cos theta formula I have given to you. What is that formula? You can recollect once. Cos theta is equals to A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Right. In place of theta, any letter we can use, better for our convenience, theta. This is cos angle. A1 A2, 0 into -1 is 0. Plus B1 B2, -1 into 0 is 0. Plus C1 C2, 1 into 1 is 1 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. 0 plus -1 square is 1, plus 1 square is also 1, 1 plus 1 2, root 2 into root over -1 whole square is 1, 1 plus 0 plus 1 is also root 2. Now 1 by root 2 into root how much? 2. Now cos theta we got it as 1 by 2. Well, the cos is 1 by 2. Yes, exactly. Angle is 60 degrees. Therefore, we can write this is indirectly cos 60 degrees. We can write this is cos theta. Cos theta is cos 60 degrees. What is angle theta is? 60 degrees. Maybe we can write in radians pi by 3 also. That's it. This is all our solution for this question. It's a very, very simple question. Easy method I explained. Easy method I explained without confusion. You can follow it easily. అర్థమైందా? చాలా ఈజీ. ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి ఏ లెటర్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి, సాల్వింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలి అంతే. ఈ చాప్టర్లో ఈ A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C ఇలాంటి లైన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు సాల్వింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలి హింట్ తెలిస్తే చాలమ్మా. ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్ కెన్ కమ్ అక్రాస్ ఈజీలీ. Is it clear now? Now can look forward some more questions. Clear? Okay, the next question, it is also same model. What is asking here? Find the angle between the lines whose DCs are given by the equations. Here formation of equations are different, but here also you can find out angle between the two lines only. For that, here also what I have given hint, you have to follow that hint. So we can take the given two equations as 1 and 2. First we can write that step. 3L plus M plus 5 is equals 0 as equation 1. And what is another equation? 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5LM is equal 0 is another equation. This is equation 2. How can you solve it? What I have given hint? Among these two lines, which is easiest one? Yes, first equation is easiest equation. Lines means equations. Among the two equations, you can understand that first equation is easiest one, in which easy letter means what? M is single letter. That one you can write in terms of L and N. What I'm giving hints, hint ఏమి ఇస్తున్నానో ఆ హింట్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి. టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్లో ఏది ఈజీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంది? ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజీ ఉంది. అందులో నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఈజీ లెటర్ ఎమ్ చూడండి, ఎమ్ అనేది క్లియర్గా ఎల్ఎన్లోకి మార్చేయచ్చు. వీ కెన్ రైట్ ఎల్ఎన్ ఆల్సో, బట్ ఈజీ వన్ ఈస్ ఎమ్. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ 1 m is equals to, m is what here? Minus 3l minus 5n. Substitute into, అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు mని -3l -5n అవుతుంది కదా, ఇందులో 2లో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయండి at 2. Wherever m is there in this equation 2, you have to substitute this value. Means -3l -5n you have to substitute. In the first term 6n ముందుకు రాయండి. 6n into m is there, 6n into m, in place of m you can write -3l -5n. In the next term no m, means next term we can write as it is 2nl. In the third term there is m, 5l into m place, in place of m you can write -3l -5n is equals to 0. Okay, carefully how to expand. We can write better implies for presentation purpose. 6n into -3l, 6 into 3 18 with -18 nl, 6 into -5 -30 n square, -2nl as it is here, plus into, this is plus into minus is minus, 5 3 is 15 l square, plus into minus 25 nl is equals to 0. Right, again we can take the simplification here. -15l square I am writing as a first term. Next middle term nl, -18 nl -2nl, -18 -2 -20, -20 -25 -45 nl. Right, then n square, -30 n square equals to 0. We can understand here what is common here. -15 is common, -15 is taken out. Here l square, 15 3 is 45 plus 3 nl, 15 2 is 30 plus 2 n square equals to 0. Right, 15 cancel because this side 0 is there. Now what is the equation becomes now? L square plus 3nl plus 2n square is equals to 0. We got it. Now from this we can correct the two lines. It means we have to take the factorization. You know there are the factors here. L square into 2n square, we can, if you take the into, L square into 2n square is 2l square n square. L plus 2nl plus nl is also 3nl. Means what, you know, factors. nl plus 2nl is 3nl as well as nl into 2nl is 2l square n square or not. Factorization, just like quadratic equation, we can think like factorization. అందుకని దీని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏమొస్తాయి చూడండి. L square middle term we can write 2nl plus nl plus 2n square equals to 0. From first two terms take the L is common, here L plus 2n. Next two terms n is common, here L plus 2n equals to 0. Okay, now from this what is common? L plus 2n is common out. Now it is left over, L plus n is left over, is equals to 0. From this we got the two factors, means we can separate the two equations. What is first equation? L plus 2n is equals to 0. This is taken as equation 3. And another equation, L plus n is equals 0. This is the equation 4. Now what I have given hint? You can solve 1 and 3, 1 and 4. No need to worry about the 2. ఇంకా దాన్ని ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలని చెప్పాను. ఈజీ మెథడ్ ఏంటి? క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మెథడ్. క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ మెథడ్ ఏంటో మనం నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా, అదే ఇక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. చూడండి అన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్కి సేమ్ మెథడ్ ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను ఈజీ మెథడ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టీచ్ ఇన్ మై వీడియోస్. స్మార్ట్ టెక్నిక్స్, ఈజీ లెర్నింగ్ మెథడ్స్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్. ఓకే, సాల్వ్ 1 3. We can use L M N, right? We can start middle quotient here. M quotient is 1. Honest N quotient is 5. Again L quotient is 3. Again get back to M quotient is 1 from the equation 1. What about equation 3? Middle term is what? M. Is there M here? No. In place of M we can take 0. N quotient is 2. L quotient is 1. Again M quotient is 0. అర్థమైందా? మీకు ఇంకా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అయితే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే L ప్లస్ 0 ఇంటూ M ప్లస్ 2N అలా కూడా రాసుకోండి. ఏదైనా మిస్ అయింది కదా దాని ప్లేస్ 0 ఇంటూ M అయితే M, N అయితే N అలా రాసుకున్నా సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే, రైట్. నో L బై 1 ఇంటూ 2 2 మైనస్ 0 ఇంటూ 5 is 0. M by 5 into 1 5 minus 2 3 6 is equals to N by 0 3 zeros 0 minus 1. Therefore this is L by 2 M by minus 5 N by minus 1. You got that? What are the 2 minus 1 minus 1? I said yes, drs of one line. So drs of one line we can take A1 B1 C1 just like what I given previous question, or 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now similarly we can solve equation 1 and 4. 1 and 4, right? Solve 1 4 as usual. Suppose what is first line? Element L M N. This is as it is 1 5 3 1. From the second row we can choose from this one. Here there is no M means 0, N quotient is 1, L quotient is 1, again M is 0, right? Therefore L by 1 minus 1, 1 into 1 1 minus 0, here 1 minus 0, M by 5 into 1 5 minus 3 is equals to 1, N by 3 into 0 0 minus 1. Therefore this is L by 1 is equals to M by 2 is equals to N by minus 1. Then got the other line DRs. Some A2, B2, C2 we can take. What are those? 1, 2, minus 1. Now there are the 2 lines DRs are ready. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Okay, now what you have to find out? We can find out angle. Yes, what is formula? Cos theta is equals to, I am not writing the formula, already used in previous question. We can copy it out as it is. Okay, cos theta, what is the formula? A1, A2. 2 into, but in a public examination you have to mention the formula also. 2 into 1 is 2 plus minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 by root 2 plus 2 square is A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. 2 square 4. 4 plus 1 plus 1. That is 6, root 6. Here also 1 plus 4 plus 1 is root 6. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, 1 by root 6 into root 6 is 6. Cos theta is equal 1 by 6. We don't know what is the exact angle of theta. That in such cases what you have to do? Yes, what you have to do? We can write theta in terms of cos inverse 1 by 6. That's it. If there is exact angle like 1 by 2, exact value 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 0, we can take directly degrees. Here we don't know what is a 1 by 6 angle exactly. That's why what you have to do? We can write theta in terms of cos inverse 1 by 6. That's it. Very simple question. Simple way I explained. I hope so you followed very well. So చాలా ఈజీ మెథడ్, వితౌట్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి ఈక్వేషన్స్ అని చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. ఇక్కడ అలా కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ హింట్స్ హౌ యూ కెన్ ఫాలో టు సాల్వింగ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్స్. క్లియర్? Now we can look forward some more questions, right? The third question are given. Find the direction coordinates of two lines which are connected by the relations. Here there are the two equations. You know in previous questions I did how can you collect the DRs of two lines A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Same way you have to collect here till A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. After that we can find out its DCs. Only DCs you have to find out. After finding the DRs, how can you collect the DCs? We will look at one step by step. Right. What is the first step? We can take the two equations as given, two equations as 1 and 2. What is the first equation? L minus 5m plus 3n is equation 1. Right. Second equation, 7l square plus 5m square minus 3n square is equals 0 as equation 2. What you have to do? Tell me what are given hint. To solve this, which is easiest equation? S, first equation. From which easiest letter? L. L we can write in terms of m and n like this. Substitute into a same process. What is the hint are given? We should follow. Now from 1, L is equals to 5m minus 3n or not? Minus 5m becomes plus 5m. Plus 3n becomes minus 3n. What you have to do? Yes. Substitute in 2. ఎక్కడైతే L ఉందో దాని ప్లేస్లో 2లో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయండి. Yes, 7, only one place is there L, that is L square. That's 7 into L square means 5m minus 3n whole square. 7 L square, in place of L we can write 5m minus 3n. Remain two terms as it is, 5m square minus 3n square is equals to 0. Now you can write implies for our convenience presentation purpose 7 into, a minus b whole square formula it is a square, that is 25m square minus 2ab, 2 5 is 10, 10 3 is 30 mn plus b square is 9n square plus 5m square minus 3n square as it is equals to 0. What I did? I used the a minus b whole square formula. Next, expand it 7 into 25, 7 5 is 35, 5 3, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 175 m square minus 7 30 is 210 mn plus 7 9 63 n square plus 5m square minus 3n square equals to 0. Right. Again, next we can concentrate 3 terms like this. M square term is 175 plus 5, 180 m square. Next, mn terms we can concentrate. Here only one mn is there, that is minus 210 mn. Right. Next, n square terms. 63 n square minus 3n square is plus 60 n square is equals to 0. Among all these, first of all, what is common? 10 is common. First 10 common తీసుకోండి. తర్వాత ఏంటో చూద్దాం. 18m square minus 21mn plus 6n square equals to 0. ఫస్ట్ చూడంగానే 10 కామన్ తీసుకోవాలని ఐడియా వచ్చింది. రైట్. 7 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ డీటెయిల్లీ. ఒక 1 or 2 స్టెప్స్ ఎక్కువైనా పర్లేదు, డీటెయిల్గా క్లియర్గా రాయండి. 10 into 0 0. Now next term 18m square minus 21mn plus 6n square equals to 0. Now we can concentrate on this one. There is a 3 common. Yes, 3 taken out. 3 6 m square, 3 6 18, 3 7s 21, mn 3 2s n square is equals to 0. Right. 3 also gets cancelled. What is left over? 6m square minus 7mn plus 2n square equals to 0. Right. Now we can think about its factors. 6 2s 12. 7 is there in middle. Shall I use the 4 3s? Yes, 4 3s are 12, 4 plus 3 is 7. అలా మనం అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి, ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్. దిస్ ఇస్ 6m square minus 4mn minus 3mn plus 2n square equals to 0. Right. Take the which is common. 2m is common. 2 3 is 3m minus 2n minus n is common. 3m minus 2n equals to 0. Again, from this we can collect the 3m minus 2n into 2m minus n is equals to 0. Right. What are the two factors from this one? 3m minus 2n is equals to 0. Oka equation. 3m minus 2n is equals to 0 is one of the equation. This is taken as 3. And what is one more equation? 2m minus n equals to 0 is another equation is taken as 4. What you have to do? Yes, exactly. We have to solve what? 1 and 3 as well as 1 and 4. Just use the cross multiplication method. Solve 1, 3 first. L, M, N. You know middle quotient here. Minus 5. N quotient 3. L 1. Again M quotient minus 5. Come to the equation 3. M quotient is 3. N quotient is minus 2. No L means 0. Again get back to M quotient is 3. This number again comes here. That is L by 5 3 5 2 is 10 minus 3 3 is 9. M by 0 minus some minus plus 2, right? 1 by 3 minus 0. Yeah. 1 into 3 3 minus 0. Therefore here 1 by N by sorry. So L by 1, M by 2, N by 3. So 1 2 3 are what? 1 2 3 are DRs of a line. DRs of one line. One line. We can take it as A1, B1, C1 as 1 2 3. Now we want its DCs అడిగాడు ఇక్కడ. డైరెక్షన్ కొసైన్స్ అడిగాడు. నేను ఆల్రెడీ ముందు వీడియోలో చెప్పాను డైరెక్షన్ కొసైన్స్ ఎలా కలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. దేర్ ఆర్ ద డైరెక్షన్ రేషియోస్. ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ a by root over a square plus b square plus c square. There are the ABC DRs. DRs ABC ఉంటే DCs ఎలా వస్తాయి? ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ a by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Same way plus or minus b by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Again plus or minus c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. ఇవి ఆల్రెడీ నేను ఇచ్చాను ముందు వీడియోలో ప్రీ రిక్విజిట్స్ పాయింట్స్ కింద. ఓకే మీకు తెలుసున్నా ఓకే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. అగైన్ వన్స్ అగైన్ హై రిటర్న్ దే plus or minus. In place of plus or minus you can use plus also, no need to worry. In place of ABC what are there? 1 2 3 DRs I am writing for this line. 1 by root over a square 1, a square is 1, b square is 4, 1 plus 4 5, 3 square 9, that is 14, root 14. I am using this one. A square 1, b square 4, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 9 14. 2 by s root 14, 3 by root 14. This is of a one line. Same way we can collect the 1 and 3 solving over. Now solve 1 4. L M N, right? 1 as it is minus 5, 3, 1 minus 5. We can use from the equation 4. Middle quotient 2, M quotient 2, N quotient is minus 1, no L 0. Again get back to M is 2. Therefore L by minus 5 into minus 1 5, 2 3 6, 5 minus 6. M by 0 minus or minus plus 1, 0, 0 into 3 0 with the plus 1. N by 1 into 2, 2 minus 0. Therefore this is L by minus 1, M by 1, N by 2. We got the minus 1 1 2 are DRs. DRs we got it. DRs of a line. We got it as minus 1 1 2. But what are its DCs? Same formula. DCs of a line. Tell me. In place of a what is there? A minus 1 by root over a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square you have to use. You can think this is a A1, A2, B2, C2 for our convenience because there are the two lines, two different DRs you can get. A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square and A square B square plus C square and 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6. Next, 1 by root 6, 2 by root 6. Okay, like this. These two are required. This is of two of the lines connected by the given two equations. Is it clear? So simple way, easy way how to do. There is no difficulty at all. Some questions you may ask the angle, some other questions you may ask the DCs, maybe some other questions you may ask that show that the lines are perpendicular lines, but concept is same. Clear? Next question. are given as the fourth question. What is given in this question? The vertices of the triangle are given ABC. You know, a triangle has how many vertices? 3 vertices. Is mentioned as ABC. Then how many angles it has? 3 angles. We have to find out those angles A, B, C. We can find out easily. Means the angle between the two lines we can use. First of all, for this one, I will draw the figure. Okay. Triangle. I will draw the triangle. This is the triangle. Okay. Has 3 vertices I mentioned as ABC. A, what is given? 1, 4, 2 coordinates. B coordinates are given as -2, 1, 2. C coordinates are given as 2, 3, -4. Now we can find out angle A, angle B, angle C. In this question, one of the major point you have to recognize that is a most important point. You know, angle at A means what? Angle between the lines AB and AC. You have to start angle at A means you can start with A only. That is AB, AC how to take. That is one of the major point you have to remember. Angle at B means we can take the lines BA, BC. Angle at C means, can you guess? Yes, we can take the line C and CB. We can start that point only. That is one of the major tip you have to know. ఎప్పుడన్నా మనకి ఇలా యాంగిల్స్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇచ్చి యాంగిల్స్ అడిగినప్పుడు యాంగిల్ ఏ కావాలనుకోండి ఏ సైడ్స్ తీసుకోవాలి ఏ నుంచే స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి ఏబి సైడ్ ఏసీ సైడ్ సేమ్ వే బిఏ సైడ్ బీసీ సైడ్ అండ్ సిఏ సైడ్ సిబి సైడ్ మధ్య యాంగిల్ మాత్రమే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఓకే అవి కనుక్కోవడానికి ఫస్ట్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ యాంగిల్ ఎట్ ఏ వీ కెన్ టేక్ ద ఏబి డిఆర్స్ అండ్ ఏసీ డిఆర్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్ టు హౌ కెన్ యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్స్ డిఆర్స్ ఆఫ్ టూ line joining the 2 points already are given in previous video. Suppose A is one of the point like x1, y1, z1. B is other point x2, y2, z2. Drs of AB. Drs of AB means line joining the AB is what? x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. We have to use this formula to find out the DRs of line joining the 2 points. Now to find out angle at A, what you have to do is line AB DRs. Now DRs of line AB. DRs of line AB first. According to this formula, AB means x2 minus x. According to -2, -2 minus 1, comma 1 minus 4. Comma 2 minus 2. Therefore, this is a -3, -3, 0. These are the DRs of line AB. Now, AC we can take. AC DRs. Same. AC అంటే 2 minus 1. 2 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. C నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. 2 minus 1. 3 minus 4. -4 minus 2. I am using this formula for this. Are you following or not? Yes. Therefore, this is 2 minus 1, 1. This is 3 minus 4 minus 1. -2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6. Now, there are 2 lines ready. AB and AC. We can think about this one. Suppose this is A1, B1, C1. Here A2, B2, C2. What is the angle A? Angle between the AB and AC lines or not? Therefore, we can use which formula? Cos angle. Cos A తీసుకోవాలి ఏంటి ఫార్ములా చెప్పండి cos theta formula how to recollect for that in previous questions I used that what that A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by root over A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. To find out at angle A, angle B, angle C, we can use this formula only. But for angle A, which lines we have to use? AB and AC. Angle at B, what is it? BA, BC. Similarly, angle at C, CA, CB. The angle at A కనుక్కుంటున్నాను అంటే cos A చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు cos A according to this formula A1 A2 -3 into 1 -3 modulus ఇచ్చాను -3 into 1 -3 -3 into -1 +3 and 0 into minus 6 is 0 by root over 9 plus 0 comma root over here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 36. You know minus 3 plus 3 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 by some denominator is 0 or not? And the cos is 0. Yes, angle is 90, at angle 90. 0 we can write cos 90. Cos pi by 2 I am writing. Therefore what you got, angle A? Angle A is a pi by 2. Right, you got the angle A. Right, now we'll look forward angle BC. B కనుక్కోవడానికి ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు? యాంగిల్ B అంటే BA డిఆర్స్ ఆఫ్ BA. సేమ్ ఫార్ములా. BA అంటే ఏ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి? 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 2 comma 4 minus 1 comma 2 minus 2 0. సో ఏ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి కదా? 2 minus 2 0. మనం స్టార్ట్ చేసి చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఏబి అన్నప్పుడు ముందు ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాము? బి కోఆర్డినేట్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 అలా. అలాగే బిఏ అంటే ఏ కోఆర్డినేట్స్ యూజ్ చేయాలి? లైక్ therefore this is 3 3 0, right? And another line BC, same formula. BC అంటే C నుంచి 2 minus some minus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 comma 3 minus 1, right, comma minus 4 minus 2, minus 4 minus 2. Therefore this is clearly 4 2 minus 6. We got the diars of two lines. We need the angle at B, means cos B. Same formula, A1 A2 plus B1 B2. These two we can use. 4 3 is 12, 2 3 6 plus 6 minus 6 into 0 0 by root over A1 square 9 plus B1 square also 9 plus 0 square is 0, root over 4 square 16 plus 2 square 4 plus minus 6 whole square is 36. 12 plus 6 18, 18 by root 18 into root 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 16 56. Okay, root 18 we can write root 18 cancel here. ఇలా రాయొచ్చు కదమ్మా. root over 18 by 18 square by 18 into 56. అర్థమవుతుందా? సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఎలా చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి. దీనికి రెండింటికి రూట్ ఉంది. 18 కూడా రూట్ పెట్టాను అనుకోండి, ఏం రాయాలి? 18 స్క్వేర్ రాయాలి. ఇమీడియట్లీ యూ కెన్ క్యాన్సల్ అవుట్ 18. Now what is left? Root over 18 by 56. Okay, 2 9s, 2 2s 4, 2 8s 16. Again ante 9 by 28. That is angle B. Any cancellation? 9 by 10. What is the angle B is now? Cos inverse 9 by root 28 under root. Right. Now one more angle we have to find over that. Angle C. To find out angle C, what we have to use? We have to use the CA side and the CB side. What is that? We can look at now, right? For angle C, we have to use the diars of CA and the CB. Now diars of CA. CA means what? According to this formula, A coordinates we can take first. CA is 1 minus 2. Right. Next 4 minus 3. Next 2 minus some minus plus 4. Therefore these are minus 1 1 6, right? And CA over now CB. CB we can start with B to C. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, right? Next 1 minus 3. Then 2 minus some minus 4 plus 4, 2 plus 4. Therefore this is clearly minus 4 minus 2 6. You know there are diars of two lines, study CA CB. No, this is CB. Then angle C, cos C. Cos C is same formula, A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C. Same formula, A1 A2 minus 1 into minus 4 4 1 into minus 2 plus 6 into 6 36 by root over 1 minus 1 whole square 1 square 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 6 square 36 means 38, right. Root over here you can observe that minus 4 whole square 16 16 minus 2 whole square 4 16 plus 4 20 20 plus 6 square 36 56. Okay, here 4 minus 2 2 plus 36 is 38. 38 by root 38 into root 56. Just like what I did here, same way we can take here root over 38 whole square by 38 into 56, right. Now 138 cancel 38 by 56, right. 38 by 56 means what? 2 cancel here 19 times 28 times, right. What is angle C now? Therefore angle C is a cos inverse of root over 19 by 18, root over 19 by 28. That's it. Angles of a triangle whose vertices are A, B, C. So what I have given hint? To find out angle at A, you can start with AB, AC. Similarly, B, BA, BC, C, CA, CB. That is one of the major point. Otherwise, there is a chance to get the wrong solution. Right? Don't do mistakes. Okay, I hope so. This is helpful to you because I explained the most of the courses. In part 1, I did some courses. In part 2, I finished the rest of the courses. That the most important from the DRs and DCs. Very important courses. I did easy methods. I have given the hints. What steps you have to follow. I hope so. You are following this is very well. Please watch the video till end and do the practice from your side. If we have any doubts, put a comment. Definitely I will rectify your doubts. Here I conclude this video. In next video I will come with a new topic with new energy. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye.